Welcome to Math Grade 6 first term. We are studying mathematical for November, and now it's a turn to start first model of November revision. This is the first model of November revision. Let's start. We have first question, choose the correct answer. Point number 1. 3 of power 2. 3 of power 2 equal what? 3 plus 3 or 2 plus 2 plus 2 or 3 by 3 or 3 by 2. We know that 3 of power 2, that means to multiply 3 by itself 2 times 3 by 3 and choose. Point 2, 10 by 3 minus 8 minus 5 by 6 minus 2. That's equal what? Now I need to solve this statement. Okay. Now we have two parentheses here. So start with parentheses. So 6 minus 2 equal 4. Right? Now 10 by 3 minus 8. Start with what? With multiply or minus? Of course with multiply. 10 by 3 equal 30. Don't forget minus 8 inside parentheses. 30 minus 8. Now here 30 minus 8 equal 22 minus 5 multiply 6 minus 2, 4. Now we have 22 minus 5 multiply 4. Start with multiply. 5 by 4 equal 20. Okay, now we have 22 minus 20. That's equal 2. Next point. If a plus 3 equals 7, then a equal what? Now I have equation. Our equation a plus 3 equals 7. I need to find the value of a. Right? Okay. Now let a alone in the left side. So I need to remove this plus 3 to the other side with a negative sign. So we have here 7. But plus 3, I will move it as minus 3. Now a equal what? 7 minus 3 equal 4. That's the value of a. That's the value of a, 4. Next one, point 4. If y equals 6, then y over what equal to? Okay, just substitute y by x by 6. 6 over what equal 2? I know 6 by blank equal 2. Note with me, there is some number here. If I multiply 2 by this number, I will get 6. So 2 by number equal 6. Of course this number will be what? Will be 3. Okay, that means 6 by 3 equal 2. Now this blank is 3. Point 5. The inequality that represents all values greater than or equal minus 1. Note with me, greater than or equal. Okay, all values as x. Greater than, okay, but he said equal or equal. I need to put equal here. Equal what? Minus 1. Now search for this equation, or this inequality, sorry. X greater than or equal minus 1. Point 6. The inequality that represent on the following number line is, okay, here I will write the inequality. I started by 0. Okay, he start from 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, or negative. Okay, now I have two solutions. The first one start with 0. So I have x as variable and 0 as a started number. Okay, now 0 and less than or greater than, of course it's less than. Okay. The second is x and start with what? With 1. Start with 1. Of course less than 1. But in the case of 0, he started from 0. So 0 belong to the inequality. But 1, it doesn't belong to the inequality. So when I write this inequality, I have to write this equal sign. But when I use the number 1, 1 is out of the inequality. So there is no equal here. Okay, this is correct and another correct answer. Now search x greater than 1. No. X less than 1. Yes, x less than 1. X equal 1. Its equation, of course not. X plus 1 equals 0 is false. Now point 7, 3 of power 2 plus 3 of power 2 plus 3 of power 2 equal what? Which one is the correct answer? Note with me. Here I have 3 with power 2 added to itself 3 times. Like what? Like maybe as 2 plus 2 plus 2. This is repeated addition. That means I have 3 by 2 equal 6, right? The same idea. Okay, here I have 3 times of 3 power 2. That means I have 3 by what? 3 by 3 power 2. I have 3 of 3 power 2. That's equal. Okay. I have here 3 with power what? This is power 1. Okay, that's equal power 1. Now 3 power 1, 3 multiply 3 power 2, that's mean 3 by 3 equal 9. So here I have 9. 3 multiply 9 equal what? Equal 27. Now I have 27 here. Search for the choose that equal 21. Which one? Note with me. 3 of power 2 power 3. 3 of power 3. Why? Because 3 of power 3 equal 3 by 3 by 3 equal 27. That's the same answer. Now the right to choose is 3 of power 3. Next page. Second, complete the following. Point number 1. If d equal 3, then blank pi d equal 18. Okay, now I need to write some number here. Okay, he said that if d equal what? Equal 3. Now delete or substitute d by 3. There is some number by 3 equal 18. Of course it's 6. Next point, the value of the expression 9 pi 9 pi or 9x here. I have, this is an expression, 9x. When x equal what? When x equal 5. That means I will substitute x equal 5 here. Now 9x will be 9 by 5. 9 by 5 equal 45. Okay, next point, 4 to the power 5. That means 4 to the power 5. Okay, next point, 3m equal w. When then, which one is the independent variable and which one is the dependent variable? Always the alone variable, just himself, okay, in alone condition will be the dependent. So w is the dependent, and the variable which has some multiply or plus or whatever will be the independent. That's m. Okay, so because w is alone here, it's the dependent, and m multiply 3, so I decided that m will be the independent variable. Next one, say question number 1. The school has 5 classes. In our school we have 5 classes. Okay, for what? For 6th grade. Complete the following table. The first question will be to complete this table, where x represent what? X the number of 6th grade student in the school. That means x is the total number of students. Okay, and the variable y represents the number of students in each class. So y each class. How many classes we have? We have 5 classes. Okay, and the total is x. Okay, write an equation, that is question number 2. Write an equation that shows the relationship between the variables x and y. Then question number 3, represent it graphically. Now try to study your question. First, I have 5 classes. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 5 classes. The number of students in each class is y. So I have here y student, y, and y. Okay. Now, the total is x. The total number of students is x. Okay. Now, I will divide x by 5 to distribute the x number by 5 classes. Okay. Now I need to find an equation. Okay, how? When I have x as independent and y as dependent, so y equal what of x? How to find the value of y when I know the value of x? An example, I have x equal what here? Equal 150. I need to find what is the value of y. Now, if I have 150 students, okay, 150 students here, I need to divide them for 5 classes. So that's easy. I will divide 150 by 5 to find out the value of y. Now that's mean y will be x by or divided by 5. Try the first value of y. When I have x equal 150, y will be equal 150 divided 5. That's equal what? Equal 30. Now, when I have 150 students in my school, and now I can't find that each class will have 30 students. 30 students. Another one. When you have 170 students, divide it by 5, we will get 35 students. Okay, now I substitute x by the next value, 175. I get the value of y, 35. Here we have the opposite operation. I know y and I need to find out the value of x. Okay, our equation said that y equal x by 5. The opposite operation will be x equal what? Equal 5y. If I multiply the value of y by 5, I will get the x value. An example, 40. So, at y equal 40, x will equal what? 5 by 40. Number of class multiply number of students in each one. It's equal 200. Another one, x equal what? When y equal 45, 5 by 45. Okay, 5 by 5, 25. Carry up 2. 5 by 4, 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 20, 225. Okay, now I have equation here. Y equal x over 5. That's our equation. Okay. Okay. Now I need to graph this relationship between x and y. I have x here and I have y here. Now, what's our step? Note with me. About x, I have 150, 175, 200, 225. You know that we adding 25 each time. Right? Now, my step will be 25. So I can start with 0, then 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, okay, 150, 175, 200, 225, 250. Okay, here our step here plus 5. Right? Now 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 22, 30, 35, and 40, 45. Last one. Now, let's point this ordered pair. First ordered pair I have here 150 and 30. 150 on x-axis here, and go up to 50 to 30, sorry, and here we have 30. Now start with 150 and stop at 30 here. Here we have the first point. Okay, next point 175 and what? And 35. We have here 35. Next one 240. 200 with what? With 40 on y-axis. Here we have 225 and 45. 225 on x-axis and 45 on y-axis here. Okay, now we reach to 4.4 ordered pair. Now we need to match them together. Okay, so start with the first point. Start with the first point and go up like this. Okay, okay, now we finished our graph here. Okay, you may make this sign. Okay, okay, go to the next question, and this is the last one for our model. Find the value. I have 15 plus 3x minus x power 2 if what? If x equal 4. Now if x equal 4, let's substitute x here. First I have 15 plus 3x, that means 3 by x equal what? Equal 4 minus x to power 2, that means x 4 power 2. Now I have power or exponent and multiply and plus and minus. Start with what? Start with the exponent, then then multiply, then plus, and last operation will be subtract. Okay, okay, so 15 plus minus 4 power 2, 4 power 2, that's mean 4 by 4 equals 16, and 3 4, that's mean 3 by 4, 3 by 4 equal 12. Now start with addition. 15 plus 12 will be 27 minus 16, that's equal 7 minus 6 equal 1, 2 minus 1 equal 1. Now we reach to the end of our first model for November. Okay, I will meet you in another model for November revision. I wish you good time and thank you.